Here we are looking at the electric panel. Some typical issues in this panel I want to point out. The 200 amp main disconnect. I do see a bonding screw down here on the neutral bar. That green screw is good. I see the ground wire leaving the panel. That's also good. Okay, what I see on top here, I see a 20 amp breaker. This top breaker with a red wire. That's an undersized wire. That's a safety hazard. Should be a number 12 wire. It's a 14. This is a 14. It should be a 12. The bottom breaker has the same issue. 20 amp breaker with number 14. Another safety hazard. Also, this 15 amp breaker right here has two wires attached. That's called a double tap, and this is not a square D panel. Square D panels are allowed to do that, but not this one. This is a GE panel, so that's also a safety hazard. One last thing to talk about is this rusting you see on the breakers here. See the rust stains on there? Those rust stains are from dripping moisture into this panel. And also on your main disconnect, 200 amp main disconnect's got moisture stains on it. So where is moisture stains coming from? Well, I believe they're coming from this conduit right here that's pulling air through because it's not sealed. This conduit should have putty stuffed in there, packed in there to keep air from flowing through this conduit. When moist air gets pulled through this conduit, it condenses on the cold metal inside this conduit, rolls back down to the panel and drips inside the panel. Moisture inside a panel is no upside with electricity, having a wet electric panel, and that's what's going on here because that conduit is not sealed. If you want to have a qualified electrical contractor take a look at this panel and repair it, that's pretty much it. Bus inspections.